It looks solidly built. You're gonna... Oh, I don't like stairs. Oh! Why are there so many Fiat 500s here? Oh! Bike won't make it?
Oh, it will.
It will, dude. The gate's closing. Ah! Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Got a new camera today. This is the DJI Osmo Action 4. I really enjoyed the GoPro that I had, the GoPro Hero 9. I liked the footage that came out of it, but I had lost like 3 rides worth of footage from either the camera not recording video or not recording audio, and so that got kind of annoying. So got myself a new camera. First time using it. We're gonna try it out here. Treacherous terrain out here. Look at this. Whew. Oh, dude, what is this? Is there a button for us to hit? I don't feel like it.
No, we just go with green. That's what I did last time.
Oh, that's it. Okay, we can see it. Yeah, cool.
Up here, there's a left up there you can take, and it goes right to the entrance.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I saw some pictures of it. I was like, it has a cool view of downtown. I want to go check it out.
There's one point where it has a really good view.
Yeah. All right. All right, so this is St. Edward's University, just south of Austin. It's supposed to have a pretty cool view of the city from here, so I'm gonna check that out. Look at that. Where is he taking it? Oh, dude, that is a nice view. Hey, look at that. Oh, yeah, dude, that's a great view.
Isn't that cool?
Nice.
Right there. The tower's right behind you.
Oh, that's super cool. There's an easier way down.
Yeah, I might take that.
There's a hill right here. We can take this. That's a little better than stairs. What is that, a cave? Dude, hold up. Oh, this is cool. Look at that. They got like candles burning in here. Yeah, this is cool, huh? Ugh. Oh, I don't like stairs. There we go. Oh, dude, this might have to be our new racing circuit right here. Let's see, who are all these people? A lot of people here. Fortunately, there's nobody on our racetrack. Into the corner. Ooh, that's slippery. It's a sweet little track, dude. Heavy on the brakes through here. Where is he? We lost him. Excuse my voice. I've been sick for the past couple of weeks. That's why I haven't been uploading. Now I'm finally okay enough to talk, but I'm sure I sound a little different. Watch out, child. What are you doing? Oh, it's not abandoned. Nah, people live here. Look at that Airstream thing, though. These are so awesome. Yeah, these are cool, dude. I love it's the color of my Miata too, dude. I need one of these.
Man, you got the ace on top, the sun visor. Dude.
Got the bike rack, dude. That's perfect.
You know this thing's probably as good.
Oh, 150 easy, yeah. All right, do you want to visit the Octopus House?
Octopus House, is that it?
No, I mean, it's like down this way. I have it on my map. I can pull it up. There it is. Nice little chimney. Look at this. This is Octopus House.
This is not a goal of mine. This is welcome to the Octopi welcome.
Isn't that cool?
This is honestly super. I wonder if he's an artist or something.
Yeah, he's got to be.
You wouldn't.
Muralist or something.
He's just really into octopus.
What is this? Are they giving this away?
What is it?
It's a Van Gogh painting. Sweet little Suzuki. All right, there's a trail down here I want to check out. Look at that. Oh, there are a bunch of little offshoots. We gotta check one of these out, dude. Little step. Ugh. Oh, dude, sunbathing out here. Trail looks kind of gnarly. Let's go for it. So overgrown. Oh no, we're not making that. Maybe. Oh, dude, look at this. This is cool. Oh, he survived.
I got it.
You gonna send her down this?
Dude, full speed.
Over all the roots. Let's see. Yeah, hopefully this gets us out of here. Oh, big roots everywhere. Ugh. Keep going right. Oh, there's a squirrel. Hello, buddy. What's this? Bring a trailer? Nice. We gotta go see this, dude. What are the odds that there are 3 Fiat 500s on the same street? This doesn't happen in nature. Hold on, we gotta see. And one of them's orange. Why are there so many Fiat 500s here? Shortcut here. That was narrow. Oh! Whoops. How's it going? Oh, dude, we gotta hit that slide. Come on, man.
I want to hit that.
The slide?
I want to hit that. Did you see that little right
Yeah. Oh, he's hitting it. Let's see this. Nice. Dude, I'm tempted to take that slide with us.
Where are you going to put it?
I don't know, in your house. All right, let's just go look at it. It might match the decor. He doesn't want to look at the slide, dude. I want to check this thing out. Dude. It looks solidly built. You're gonna... It's a good slide. I was thinking about it, man. Ugh. Whoops. Ugh. Oh, we gotta go. Up this. What are these things, dude? I want one of these.
Oh, yeah, you know, next time you should just, instead of the...
Squirrel. Oh, look at him. He's fast. What is that, dude? We gotta hit that. What are you doing?
An old Austin water park. The old Austin water side, you know?
Yeah. Oh, can we get under this? Just barely.
My bike won't make it.
Your bike won't make it?
Oh, it will.
It will, dude. Alright, we gotta check this out. There we go.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, this is cool. Look at that water, dude. Let's check this out. I guess the two trails connect here. Keep going straight. Alright. This is nice, dude. Look at that watercolor. Got people canoeing out here. Alright, that's the bridge that people jump off of. Let's see if anyone's jumping. Doesn't look like it. Alright, where is he? We'll pull off to the side here. Where are we going? Yeah, let's do it. It's a lot of garbage cans. Hold up, I gotta see what this is about. Hit this jump, dude! Oh! Oh, that was gnarly. Where does this go?
It says do not enter, so I'm obviously gonna go.
I'm scared, dude. Oh. I don't know where we're going, but try it out. Oh, yeah?
Everything was locked up.
Birds of prey, dude.
Yeah, you normally enter this, you have to enter through like the main building.
You gotta pay for it and stuff.
No, it's free, but you just have to go through the front entrance.
Yeah, I have a feeling they wouldn't let us through.
With the bike.
Mallard duck, porcupine. I don't see anything in there. Yeah. Dude, look at that hawk. That thing's huge. I don't see the porcupine. Oh, dude, look at this guy. That's not a mallard duck. That's a dove. Or a pigeon. I don't know.
That's the mallard duck.
Oh, there he is. Okay.
They just mixed her in.
I mean, they get along. Oh, the gate's closing. Ah! What up? Yeah, this spot's usually closed. Pretty weird. Pretty weird to see it open. What are they doing here? some kind of event. There's nobody outside. That's nice.
Damn. Look at that.
It's a nice view, dude.
I should buy this. Are they trying to set up right here?
They probably are. He had like band stuff, like guitars and whatnot. We can go around.
Can we?
Yeah. Alright, we'll take this little trail around. I wonder where that goes. I've never been down that way. This trail is a little bit rocky, but not too bad on this bike. The suspension is so soft. Whoa. All right. Double burnout.
Double? I'm digging a hole here.
All right, guys. The camera battery is dying, so gonna go ahead and probably end her here. Appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you. I'm excited to see what the footage looks like from this camera. Hopefully it's good. I may have to fiddle with the settings some more to get it to my liking, but we've been riding for 90 minutes and the battery's still at 6%, so pretty huge improvement in battery life over the GoPro, which only lasted about an hour. Well, I think that'll be it for this one. Appreciate you guys for watching. Catch you next time.